Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike. We've all been there, that scratchy, painful feeling that makes you want to swallow a bag of cough drops. A sore throat can really knock you down. But before you reach for the over-the-counter meds, let's explore some natural remedies that can bring you sweet relief. In this video, I'm breaking down my top picks for soothing a sore throat using the power of nature. Let's start with a classic remedy, honey and warm water. Honey has natural antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help fight off those pesky bacteria that might be causing your sore throat. Plus, it coats and soothes the throat, reducing irritation and inflammation. To whip up this simple elixir, just mix 1 tablespoon of honey into a glass of warm water and sip it slowly. You can thank me later. Next up, we have another tried-and-true remedy, the saltwater gargle. This one's a staple in my household. It's simple, effective, and costs just pennies. Dissolving half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water creates a solution that helps reduce swelling in the throat tissues. Gargling with it for about 30 seconds, then spitting it out, can also help wash away excess mucus and other irritants that might be contributing to your discomfort. Herbal teas aren't just a cozy drink, they can be your best friend when a sore throat strikes. Chamomile, licorice root, and peppermint tea are all fantastic options. Why? They contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation and soothe those scratchy sensations. Plus, a warm drink is just plain comforting when you're not feeling your best. We all know ginger can calm an upset stomach, but did you know it can also work wonders on a sore throat? Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A soothing cup of ginger tea, especially with a touch of honey, can help fight off infection and reduce pain. Try adding a slice of lemon for an extra boost. Apple cider vinegar is another one of those kitchen staples with surprising health benefits. It has antibacterial properties that can help fight off those nasty bugs that cause throat pain. Plus, it can help balance the pH levels in your throat, reducing inflammation and discomfort. Mix a tablespoon with warm water for a soothing drink or gargle. Marshmallow root has been used for centuries to soothe sore throats, and for good reason. It contains a substance called mucilage, which coats the throat and provides relief from irritation. Think of it as a protective layer that helps reduce that scratchy feeling. To use it, simply steep dried marshmallow root in hot water for at least 30 minutes, then strain and enjoy the soothing benefits. Remember to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before trying new remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Similar to marshmallow root, slippery elm is another natural remedy that can work wonders for a sore throat. It also contains mucilage, which forms a protective layer over the mucous membranes, reducing irritation and inflammation. To make slippery elm tea, just add the powder to hot water and drink it warm. As always, it's best to talk to your healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if you have any medical conditions. Licorice root is known for its distinct flavor, but did you know it also possesses anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties? These properties can help reduce throat irritation and fight off infections that may be causing your discomfort. You can enjoy licorice root by drinking it as a tea or even using it as a gargle. Remember, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any health concerns, consult your doctor before using licorice root. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here with Lulu, and we're back with another tip for soothing that scratchy throat. One of the simplest yet most effective remedies is good old-fashioned hydration. That's right, drink up. Water, herbal teas, even warm broth, these all work wonders. Staying hydrated keeps your throat moist, which can help thin out mucus and reduce that irritating tickle. Think of it like this, when you're dehydrated, your body conserves water, and guess what gets drier? You got it, your throat. So grab your favorite water bottle and keep sipping throughout the day. Remember, a hydrated body is a happy body, and that includes your throat. Let's face it, a stuffy nose often comes hand in hand with a sore throat. Luckily, steam inhalation can tackle both. This age-old remedy works by loosening mucus and adding moisture to your nasal passages and throat. It's like a warm hug for your airways. To do this, simply fill a bowl with hot water, not boiling, and carefully lean over it, draping a towel over your head to trap the steam. Breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes, and feel that congestion start to ease. You can even add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint for an extra soothing effect. But remember, always be cautious with hot water and essential oils, especially around children. Another great way to soothe your throat is by using a humidifier, especially during the drier months, or if you're prone to dry air in your home. You see, a humidifier adds moisture to the air, which can help to keep your throat from drying out and becoming irritated. This can be especially helpful at night when you're sleeping and unable to consciously sip on fluids. Remember, a dry throat can lead to discomfort and even worsen a cough. So, consider adding a humidifier to your bedside table for some extra relief. We often underestimate the power of rest, but it plays a vital role in our body's natural healing process. When you're battling a sore throat, giving your body adequate rest is crucial. Rest allows your immune system to focus its energy on fighting off the infection or irritation causing your sore throat. This means less energy spent on daily activities and more energy dedicated to getting you back to feeling your best. So make sure you're getting enough sleep, taking it easy, and allowing your body the time it needs to recover. That wraps up our home remedies for a sore throat. Remember, these tips can offer relief, but if your sore throat is severe or persists for an extended period, it's always best to consult with a medical professional to rule out any underlying conditions. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay healthy, friends.